Hi, this is Dara Wilkenlow, and I'm going to show you how to use Polypad to add with regrouping. In my subtraction with regrouping video, I showed you some more of the details, but we're still going to be working in the numbers using number tiles and cubes, and we're going to be using our marker as well. Let me choose a different color today. And as always, the screen starts out very zoomed in and you're not going to be able to use it that way, so zoom out as far as you can. As always, you do not need to write on the screen. I'm doing that for your benefit, but it's actually easier just to write on a piece of paper. If you are determined to write on the screen, you can use the text box and type. Not always super helpful though. Okay, so we're going to do adding with regrouping. I'm going to do, let's see, 5,296, and I'm actually going to make it 5.296, and I'm going to add, let's do 1, 7, 5, 8, put a decimal right here. So as I said with my subtraction with regrouping, we do line up our decimals. We start with that, but once we have our place values all lined up, we're going to press pause in our mind on those decimals and we'll put them back in at the end of the process. So 5,000 when adding with regrouping, we have to keep everything kind of close. 200. Let me actually just click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry for the music in the background. They are practicing dance club right next door to me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to take these guys over here. Okay. So that's the top number. When we are doing adding with regrouping, we actually have to create both of the numbers. So I'm going to put 1,000 here, 700, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 700, 5 tens, whoop, wrong guy. Excuse me, and then 8 ones, 1, okay, this guy over here, I'll highlight, bring them over here, bring this guy back. Okay, so I've got 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So we've got 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. And we're going to bring the 1 over. And what that looks like on our screen is we're going to highlight all our pieces and we're going to click merge. This option only appears when you have more than 10 of an item. So I'm going to click merge and it organizes it into 4 ones. Those are the 4 right here. And 1 10. That's the one we just put right here. Excuse me. So I'm going to put the 1 10 up here. And now I can highlight all the 10s and merge them again. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5 more is 15. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I've got 5 of the blue sticks and I've got 1 of the green squares. So now I'm going to put this green square over here. So if I was doing this in my head, I've got 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 7 is 10. Let's see what happens when we group. I'm going to need to move these guys all over so that I can group them without grabbing anything else. There we go. So I'm going to highlight all of them and merge them together. And they all merged with nothing left over into one more of these cubes. So I had nothing left over, that's a 0 here, and I had 1 cube that it created. Now I have 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5, 6, 7. So I had 7 cubes. And now that I'm done adding, I can unpause this decimal and put it back in my answer. Remember, it's all lined up. And that's how I use Polypad for adding with regrouping.